Items in special collections are often arranged into collections, which you can easily search through in our catalogue. Collections have hierarchies which explain how individual objects and groups of objects fit together in a collection. They can tell us how an item came to be in a particular collection, and they can also help researchers to identify relevant material. Understanding collections and their hierarchies can help you navigate the catalogue and find out more about what you're looking for. For example, let's look at the archive of the poet Tony Harrison. We are now on the catalogue page for the entire Tony Harrison archive. We know this because the archive level is stated as collection. On this page we can see the size of the collection, currently 132 unboxed notebooks and 88 archival boxes of material, as well as an overall description of the collection and how it has been arranged, links to biographical information about Tony Harrison, and a provenance section to tell us where this collection was acquired from. In this case, from Harrison himself. To view the entire collection and its hierarchy, click on the In This Collection tab, which should always be found at the top of the page. Collection hierarchies are broken down into archive levels. The highest level of a hierarchy is always the entire collection. The lowest levels of a hierarchy are usually files or individual items. Between the top and bottom of the hierarchy you might find the levels sub-collection, series and sub-series. The larger and more complicated a collection is, the more levels there will be in its hierarchy. We can now see that the Tony Harrison archive is arranged into 9 separate series. You can click the View Details tab to the right hand side of each series for more information. If we click on the series Project Notebooks, for example, we can see that this series is further arranged into a number of sub-series. These sub-series, for example Trackers Notebooks, are then further arranged into individual items. If we click on Trackers 1 and go through to its catalogue record, we know that this is an individual item, the lowest level of the hierarchy, because the archive level is stated as item. This catalogue record gives details about this individual notebook, such as its title, its individual class mark, its date, and a brief description. Working in reverse, if we click back on the In This Collection tab, we can see how this individual notebook fits into the rest of the Tony Harrison collection. You can also see this at a glance from the collection hierarchy box at the top left hand side of the catalogue record page. Trackers 1 is one of 10 items in the sub-series Trackers Notebooks, which is then part of the series Project Notebooks, which is one of 9 series in the entire Tony Harrison archive. You can collapse or expand the full collection list by clicking on the plus and minus icons on the left hand side of the titles.